Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Enjoy English learning. Here, we make learning English fun and exciting. I am very tired.
I am exhausted.
I am very tired.
I am exhausted.
It's very hot.
It's scorching.
It's very hot.
It's scorching.
I'm very hungry.
I'm famished.
I'm very hungry.
I'm famished.
This is very good.
This is excellent.
This is very good.
This is excellent.
He is very angry.
He is furious.
He is very angry.
He is furious.
The movie was very bad.
The movie was terrible.
The movie was very bad.
The movie was terrible.
This place is very beautiful.
This place is stunning.
This place is very beautiful.
This place is stunning.
I am very happy.
I am overjoyed.
I am very happy.
I am overjoyed.
He's very funny.
He's hilarious.
He's very funny.
He's hilarious.
The match is very exciting.
This food is delicious.
The match is very exciting.
This food is delicious.
I am very sad.
I am devastated.
I am very sad.
I am devastated.
The book is very interesting.
The book is fascinating.
The book is very interesting.
The book is fascinating.
I am very confused.
I am perplexed.
I am very scared.
I am perplexed.
This dress is very pretty.
This dress is gorgeous.
This dress is very pretty.
This dress is gorgeous.
The situation is very bad.
The situation is dire.
The situation is very bad.
The situation is dire.
The weather is very cold.
The weather is freezing.
The weather is very cold.
The weather is freezing.
The child is very smart.
The child is brilliant.
The child is very smart.
The child is brilliant.
That's a very big mistake.
That's a colossal mistake.
That's a very big mistake.
That's a colossal mistake.
I am very scared.
I am terrified.
I am very scared.
I am terrified.
This task is very easy.
This task is effortless.
This task is very easy.
This task is effortless.
She's very kind.
She's compassionate.
She's very kind.
She's compassionate.
I am very happy.
I am ecstatic.
I am very happy.
I am ecstatic.
The view is very beautiful.
The view is breathtaking.
The view is very beautiful.
The view is breathtaking.
He's very rich.
He's wealthy.
He's very rich.
He's wealthy.
This is very surprising.
This is astonishing.
This is very surprising.
This is astonishing.
The joke is very funny.
The joke is hilarious.
The joke is very funny.
The joke is hilarious.
It's very dark here.
It's pitch black here.
It's very dark here.
It's pitch black here.
The exam is very difficult.
The exam is challenging.
The exam is very difficult.
The exam is challenging.
She is very talented.
She is gifted.
She is very talented.
She is gifted.
This cake is very good.
This cake is divine.
This cake is very good.
This cake is divine.
The room is very clean.
The room is spotless.
The room is very clean.
The room is spotless.
I am very nervous.
I am anxious.
I am very nervous.
I am anxious.
That's a very bad idea.
That's a terrible idea.
That's a very bad idea.
That's a terrible idea.
The road is very narrow.
The road is constricted.
The road is very narrow.
The road is constricted.
She is very beautiful.
This tea is boiling.
She is very beautiful.
This tea is boiling.
The forest is very quiet.
The forest is tranquil.
The forest is very quiet.
The forest is tranquil.
The water is very dirty.
The water is filthy.
The water is very dirty.
The water is filthy.
He is very fast.
The problem is enormous.
He is very fast.
He is lightning quick.
The problem is very big.
The problem is enormous.
The problem is very big.
The problem is enormous.
She is very angry.
She is livid.
She is very angry.
She is livid.
The house is very old.
The house is ancient.
The house is very old.
The house is ancient.
This bag is very heavy.
This bag is weighty.
This bag is very heavy.
This bag is weighty.
The garden is very neat.
The garden is immaculate.
The garden is very neat.
The garden is immaculate.
He's very lazy.
He's indolent.
He's very lazy.
He's indolent.
The car is very expensive.
The car is luxurious.
The car is very expensive.
The car is luxurious.
This is very strange.
This is peculiar.
This is very strange.
This is peculiar.
He's very famous.
He's renowned.
He's very famous.
He's renowned.
She is very calm.
She is serene.
She is very calm.
She is serene.
This idea is very simple.
This idea is straightforward.
This idea is very simple.
This idea is straightforward.
The result is very important.
The result is crucial.
The result is very important.
The result is crucial.
This room is very small.
This room is compact.
This room is very small.
This room is compact.
The news is very shocking.
The news is staggering.
The news is very shocking.
The news is staggering.
This task is very boring.
This task is monotonous.
This task is very boring.
This task is monotonous.
He is very poor.
He is destitute.
He is very poor.
He is destitute.
I'm very scared of this place.
I'm petrified of this place.
I'm very scared of this place.
I'm petrified of this place.
The mountain is very tall.
The mountain is towering.
The mountain is very tall.
The mountain is towering.
The sky is very clear.
The sky is pristine.
The sky is very clear.
The sky is pristine.
He is very brave.
He is courageous.
He is very brave.
He is courageous.
I'm very sure about this.
I'm certain about this.
I'm very sure about this.
I'm certain about this.
This painting is very colorful.
This painting is vibrant.
This painting is very colorful.
This painting is vibrant.
This exam is very easy.
This exam is straightforward.
This exam is very easy.
This exam is straightforward.
The road is very long.
The road is endless.
The road is very long.
The road is endless.
She's very curious.
She's inquisitive.
She's very curious.
She's inquisitive.
He's very clumsy.
He's awkward.
He's very clumsy.
He's awkward.
The hotel is very cheap.
The hotel is affordable.
The hotel is very cheap.
The hotel is affordable.
This cake is very sweet.
This cake is sugary.
This cake is very sweet.
This cake is sugary.
I am very sorry.
I am apologetic.
I am very sorry.
I am apologetic.
The rain is very heavy.
The rain is torrential.
The rain is very heavy.
The rain is torrential.
I'm very lucky.
I'm fortunate.
I'm very lucky.
I'm fortunate.
She's very fast.
She's swift.
She's very fast.
She's swift.
This bag is very light.
This bag is lightweight.
This bag is very light.
This bag is lightweight.
He's very strict.
He's stern.
He's very strict.
He's stern.
This task is very important.
This task is essential.
This task is very important.
This task is essential.
The teacher is very good.
The teacher is excellent.
The teacher is very good.
The teacher is excellent.
This picture is very clear.
This picture is vivid.
This picture is very clear.
This picture is vivid.
The story is very emotional.
The story is heart-wrenching.
The story is very emotional.
The story is heart-wrenching.
She is very cheerful.
She is radiant.
She is very cheerful.
She is radiant.
The match is very exciting.
The match is thrilling.
The match is very exciting.
The match is thrilling.
He's very weak.
He's fragile.
He's very weak.
He's fragile.
This is very unfair.
This is unjust.
This is very unfair.
This is unjust.
I'm very surprised.
I'm astounded.
I'm very surprised.
I'm astounded.
He's very popular.
He's prominent.
He's very popular.
He's prominent.
The lake is very deep.
The lake is profound.
The lake is very deep.
The lake is profound.
The building is very old.
The building is historic.
The building is very old.
The building is historic.
The city is very crowded.
The city is bustling.
The city is very crowded.
The city is bustling.
This problem is very common.
This problem is widespread.
This problem is very common.
This problem is widespread.
I am very hopeful.
I am optimistic.
I am very hopeful.
I am optimistic.
This work is very urgent.
This work is pressing.
This work is very urgent.
This work is pressing.
I am very confident.
I am self-assured.
I am very confident.
I am self-assured.
The river is very wide.
The river is expansive.
The river is very wide.
The river is expansive.
The house is very clean.
The house is pristine.
The house is very clean.
The house is pristine.
I'm very scared of heights.
I'm terrified of heights.
I'm very scared of heights.
I'm terrified of heights.
This food is very fresh.
This food is crisp.
This food is very fresh.
This food is crisp.
The sky is very cloudy.
The sky is overcast.
The sky is very cloudy.
The sky is overcast.
She's very loyal.
She's devoted.
She's very loyal.
She's devoted.
The desert is very dry.
The desert is arid.
The desert is very dry.
The desert is arid.
This dog is very friendly.
This dog is affectionate.
This dog is very friendly.
This dog is affectionate.
The answer is very clear.
The answer is obvious.
The answer is very clear.
The answer is obvious.